question is asking what is the mass of hydrogen obtained from the reaction of 40 grams lithium with 100 grams of water. We're going to write down our givens first. So we have a mass of lithium of 40 G, mass of H2O is 100 grams, and in order to find the mass of hydrogen, we also need to know the moles of each. So our equation gives us 2 moles of lithium, and we also have 2 moles of H2O. We're going to set up a little chart and separate our elements that were given to us. So on the top we have lithium, on the bottom we have water. And as you see here, our givens are 40 grams and 100 grams, so that's what we're going to start with for both. And now we're going to convert from our grams of lithium to moles of lithium. So then after we convert from grams to moles, we're able to use a mole ratio to get to hydrogen. And now what she's doing is that mole ratio. And we end up with 2.85 moles of lithium. And now we're just gonna repeat the same steps for water, just with different numbers because our given is 100 grams. We also get our 18 grams of moles from the molar mass of H2O. Same goes for here. Oh, and don't forget that whatever we're looking for always goes on the top because by dividing we're canceling out the grams, and that's why we always end up with whatever's up here. Now we know that our limiting reactant is the smallest, so our limiting reactant would be H2O. Start off with water as our limiting reactant, but we're not done because the question is asking us for the mass of hydrogen. And we have moles of hydrogen, so we gotta convert it to grams. So we're gonna take our limiting reactant. We get the 2 grams of H2 from the molar mass of hydrogen. The final answer is going to be 6 grams because we have one significant figure.
What is the percent yield if 4.5 grams of hydrogen is produced? She is writing down the equation. Its percent yield equals actual yield over theoretical yield. And since we know our theoretical yield is 6 grams H2, she's going to write 4.5 grams over 6 grams times 100%. And her final answer will be 75%.